how to eat healthy every day. Stop scrolling for 1 minute because what I'm about to tell you can completely transform your health, your energy, and your life. If you've ever wondered how to eat healthy every single day without stress, without confusion, and without giving up your favorite foods, this is for you. Healthy eating is not about strict diets. It's about building simple, powerful habits that fuel your body and protect your long-term health. Today, you'll learn the core principles of balanced nutrition, daily healthy meals, clean eating, and sustainable food habits that actually work. First, start with whole foods: vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. These foods support your digestion, boost your immune system, stabilize your blood sugar, and keep your energy high throughout the day. Second, plan your meals. Even a simple plan helps you avoid junk food, emotional eating, and last-minute unhealthy choices. Meal prepping is one of the most effective tools for maintaining a healthy diet. And before we go deeper, make sure to subscribe. Leave a comment sharing your personal story about healthy eating, and send this video to a friend who needs motivation. Your engagement helps this useful content reach more people who truly need it. Now, let's continue. To eat healthy every day, focus on portion control, hydration, and mindful eating. Slow down, listen to your body, and stop when you feel satisfied, not stuffed. Drink enough water to support your metabolism, detoxification, and overall brain function. Avoid heavily processed foods, sugar overload, and fast food traps. These foods drain your energy, increase cravings, and negatively impact your mental and physical health. Instead, choose nutritious alternatives that keep you full, satisfied, and mentally clear. Remember, eating healthy every day is not about perfection, it's about consistency. Small choices, repeated daily, create massive results. When you fuel your body with quality nutrition, everything improves. Your mood, your focus, your weight, your skin, your sleep, and even your confidence. If this material was helpful, share it with someone who needs a little push today. Let's build a healthier, stronger lifestyle together, one meal at a time.